Amigo Loans, a well-known guarantor lender in the UK, entered into a scheme of arrangement to handle a large number of unaffordability complaints. This scheme was a legal process approved by the High Court to settle customer claims for compensation. The scheme of arrangement was a court-approved deal between Amigo and its creditors, which included customers who were missold loans. Since the company did not have enough funds to pay all valid claims in full, the scheme was designed to provide a fair and equitable distribution of the available funds. This process was the final opportunity for customers to claim compensation for loans that were unaffordable. Compensation was primarily for two groups, borrowers and guarantors. Borrowers could claim if they were given a loan they couldn't afford to repay, meaning they had to borrow more money to keep up with payments or fell behind on essential bills. Guarantors were eligible if they shouldn't have been accepted as a guarantor because they couldn't afford the repayments, or if the borrower's loan itself was unaffordable. Unlike a normal complaint where you might get a full refund of all interest and charges, the Amigo scheme worked on a pence-in-the-pound basis. This meant that customers with valid claims would receive only a small percentage of the total amount they were owed. The final payout was determined after all claims were submitted and assessed. The deadline for making a claim through the scheme was in late 2022. Payments were made in batches and in two stages in 2024 and 2025. Any compensation owed to you was first offset against any outstanding loan balance you had with Amigo. If you were a former customer with no outstanding debt, or if the compensation exceeded your remaining debt, you received a cash payment. It's important to note that the compensation scheme is now closed. The final payments were made in April 2025, and you can no longer submit a claim through this process.